Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a team on Royal Match. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Royal Match app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is head over and tap on this icon on the bottom right corner of the screen right beside your home button. Home icon. Once you tap on that, you will be sent to your teams. Now what you need to do is tap on this option that's create right here, and once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing something like this on the screen. Here you'll be able to choose your team logo, then enter in your team name, and then enter in the team description on the description box. And once you're done, you can also select the team type, like you can keep your team open or you can keep your team closed. What that means is it will be available, if it is open, it will be available to any players to join your team, or if it close, if it will require you to accept the request in order to join the team. You can also select the required level in order for the players to join to your team, but you need to be above level 50 to increase this required level. And another thing is you'll need 100 coins to create the team. And once you do that, all you gotta do is tap on create, and you'll be successfully able to create a team on Royal Match. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.